Tips for curbside stop and hill start while driving. Find a suitable spot to park the car. Be aware of the traffic and other pedestrian activities. Indicate your intention to other vehicles so that there is no risk of accidents. Check your rear view mirrors to avoid bumping into other cars, and make sure that the cars traveling behind you are aware. Check your blind spots for cyclists and pedestrians, and try to drive the car slowly. Approach cautiously and safely in the direction you want to park the car. Make sure that the car is straight and parallel to curb. If you are parking behind another vehicle, keep a 1 meter distance. Apply brake and carefully park the car. Select Park P if the car is automatic or first gear if the car is manual. Thank you. For more, visit our site www.carlearner.com.